Ay nanay, malipayon nga adlawan sa imo, nanay Auring. Palangga ka namon, muamot,
Job, ikaw na kami sa imo.
You're a boss from Bacolod.
City of Smile.
Ate, Teoreng, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Happy birthday po, Lalauring. Pansit ka naman dyan. Happy birthday po, Lalauring. Pansit naman kayo dyan. Pansit.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Nanay, happy birthday. More long years pa, Nay. God bless you. Sana maging healthy ka pa. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Oring.
Happy birthday, Auntie Auring. Happy birthday, Auntie Auring.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you. I love you.
We love
you. Okay, enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday.
Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Sarhel wa ya Jamil, Sarhel wa ya Jamil, Sarhel wa Sarhel wa Sarhel wa ya Jamil. Ay, Nay Auring, my lovely grandmother. I know naman, kilala mo naman ako kung sino ako. For sure, magtatanong ka sa kanila kung sino ako. Ako lang naman to, si May. Yung nagmamaganda mong apo. Anyway, Nay, today is your birthday. Happy 38th birthday. Wow, bumabata ka na naman ng bumabata. Ayun nga, pray ko lang kay God. I wish you na maging more healthier ka pa. And then, God na bigyan ka ni God ng mahaba pang buhay para makita mo pa yung next generation mo. At alam ko na for sure na masaya ka today at masaya din yung mga marites sa may paligid mo. Yung mga marites dyan, no? O wag kayo masyadong mag-sharon dyan, ha? Magtira kayo. Huwag nyo masyadong balutin lahat. Anyway, yun na nga. Nay, I'm here just to greet you that happy birthday to you. Wish you a good health and then stay strong. Enjoy your day. And then, wait. I missed something. Wait lang. May bibigay ako sa'yo. Nakalimutan ko. Saan na ba yun? Ting! Yeah, you know, I always love you and I miss you. Yeah, yun lang, Nay. Enjoy your night and have a blessed day with you. Blessing. Enjoy the blessing.
AA muna tayo dyan, Charis. Happiest birthday, Nanay Auring. Mag-iingat ka po lagi. Palakas ka lang lagi, Nanay. Pagpunta ko dyan, Nay, promise hindi ako buntis, Charis. I love you, Nanay. Love you.
Hindi ba kailan lang nagkita na tayo dyan sa Olongapo last week. Pero alam ko birthday mo, kaya lang akala ko 13 pa, pala bukas na. Pero kung kalooban ng Diyos na makapunta kami dyan ni Vivian, siguro kasama na rin si Kamote. Na makarating kami dyan bukas kasi naghahanap ng driver ng kotse. Kung pumayag si Chris na mag-drive, makakarating kami dyan. Paano? Di, happy birthday na lang sa'yo. Okay na?
Hello, La. Have a good day. O, diba? Ganda, no? La, happy birthday, La. O, diba? Mahal lang sa'yo, diba? Happy birthday, La. Have a good health. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, La.
happy birthday. Eh talaga naman maganda si Auntie Auring kaya nagustuhan ni Tuto Budol yan, di ba?
Happy birthday, La! Enjoy your day. Sana mabusog mo sila.
Kasama kami pag nakarating.
Okay na, La. Have a nice day.
Sige.
Bye.
Nay, happy birthday po. Wishing you good health and long life. Salamat po sa pagmamahal at pagtanggap po sa akin dyan sa inyo, Nay. I love you, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nay! I love you, Nay! I miss you!
Stay strong, Nay.
Pakabakal kakit per me, Nay, ha? Hindi magpaka-stress. Paminsar mo, imo yung self.
Happy lang always.
Happy lang always, Nay. More birthdays. Makapuligid kami da ni Ken, Nay. Doon ko siya. Happy birthday, Nay.
Hi, Lola. Happy birthday pala, Lola Auring. Sana pagkalooban pa po kayo ng Panginoon ng another days at saka taon sa inyong buhay at bigyan pa po kayo ng kalakasan at magandang kalusugan. Miss na po namin kayo, Lola. Loobin ng Diyos at makapagbakasyon kami sa Pilipinas, makadalaw dyan sa inyo sa Olongapo. Bye! Miss you, Lola.
Hi, Lola. Lola Auring. Happy birthday to you. God bless you more and nawa, sabihin ko sa'yo, nakalimutan ko. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa. Mahirap ang may asawa, Lola. Kaya, sige lang, enjoy mo lang pagiging single mo. Love you, love you.
Hello, Nanay Auring. Happy birthday po. Miss ko na po kayo dyan sa Pilipinas. Mag-iingat ka po palagi. Sige po, Nanay Auring, dito na lang po. Hope all your best wishes come true po. Hello, Nanay Auring. Happy birthday po. Miss ko na po kayo dyan sa Pilipinas. Mag-iingat ka po palagi. Sige po, Nanay Auring, dito na lang po. Hope all your best wishes come true po.
Happy birthday, Nanay Auring. We wish you good health, more blessings to come, and enjoy your life. And God bless you more. Happy birthday again. We love you.
Hi, Lola. Lola Auring, how are you? Kamusta po? Happy birthday, Lola. I love you. I miss you. Bye po. Ingat po palagi.
You want to sing a song for Nana, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Nana! Happy birthday, Nana! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nana! Say, happy birthday! Dog.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.